Hi guys, I'm Sid the Car Kid and today I'm going to review the Hyundai Venue S variant. So as you can see it gets this very big dark chrome grille. This is the indicator and this is the headlight which is in sort of a square shape. There are no LED DRLs but it gets this chrome treatment, no fog lamps also, and it gets this silver finishing on the bumper, and from the side it gets this wheel arch which is looking very muscular, and indicator is placed on fender. This is the side mirror which can be adjusted electrically but cannot be folded. Coming to the wheels of the car, this is the wheel of the car which is a 15-inch tire, and you get normal steel wheels with wheel caps, and as you can see it gets this very sharp lines on the doors, and it also gets roof rails which are finished in silver. And coming to the rear of the car, this is the tail light which is halogen, and you get reverse parking sensors, and when you sit on the center, and there is no rear wiper but it gets defogger. Now let's get inside and let's talk about the interior. So guys, this is the interior of the car. It gets an all black dashboard, and dashboard design is nice and premium. It gets silver finishing on the AC vents, and this is the infotainment of the car which can be connected by Bluetooth, and it gets manual AC, and there is a storage space also, and there you can see the aux port, and there's a cup holder also, and there's a cubby hole also. This is the gear lever, and it is a 5-speed manual transmission, and of course it gets hard plastics and their quality is good. Fit and finish is also good, and there's a storage space here also, and it gets manual IRVM. And coming to the steering wheel of the car, so guys, this is the steering wheel of the car which gets steering mounted controls, and there you can see the wiper controls and headlight controls. Now let me turn on the ignition. So guys, this is the instrument cluster of the car. There you can see the multi information display which you can operate by pressing that button, and this is the tachometer, and you get a big speedometer. So guys, this instrument cluster also looks nice, but I like the instrument cluster which is in the SX variant. There you can see the headlight leveler, and these are the power window controls, and driver side switch gets illumination also, and the silver finishing looks nice. This is the tweeter. Now let's see what's under the hood. So guys, this is the petrol engine of the car which produces 83 PS of power and 115 Nm of torque. So you can hear a lot of noise from the engine because the bonnet is open. Otherwise it is a very silent engine. So guys, this is the rear seat of the car, and as you can see there is decent amount of leg room and knee room, and you get rear AC vents with silver finishing on them, and you do not get adjustable headrest, and there is no armrest also, and you can see the parcel tray. Headroom is also decent, and you get a grab handle and a hook, and window area is decent, and I think that a person taller than me would not get sufficient amount of legroom and knee room. Now let's open the boot. So guys, here I am opening the boot by pressing a button, and so guys, this is the boot of the car which is decent, and there you can see the car cover and the toolkit, and it also gets a light which is very bright, and below it there's a spare wheel which is a small size tire. Now let's close it. So guys, this is my review of the Hyundai Venue. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel for more car reviews. Bye.